Oh my goodness, welcome. Thanks for clicking. Today we're going to be applying a screen protector to this Nintendo Switch. Our family recently took the plunge. I've been on the Nintendo Wii for years, maybe even a decade, and finally switched over, no pun intended. And here we go. Got a couple of kiddos, and they're going to bang the heck out of this thing. I know it. I've already got my silicone case around there, you can see. And we're going to be applying this screen kit. Now, the screen kit, the protector kit, comes with like an alcohol wipe and everything you need. All right, back to it. So we're getting out the alcohol wipe, and by the way, I'm going to put a link in the description below for this specific kit and some other recommendations, as I always do. You can check that out. But we're going to take out the alcohol wipe here, and we're going to clean the screen pretty well. Obviously, there's probably, if you've been playing it, there's probably smudges and fingerprints and grease and all that stuff. So you want to spend some time on there, use both sides, and wipe it down pretty much blemish free and get all that grime off. And then the kit also comes with a little lint-free wipe, you know, the things that you clean your glasses with. And so that's what I'm doing in this next step. After the alcohol is on there, just kind of wipe it off with this little cloth and get it squeaky clean. Now, you don't want to walk away and come back and do this later because lint and whatnot will have, you know, accumulated on the screen. So you want to do this kind of in one fell swoop and get it nice and clean and dry. I several rounds with the alcohol pad and the wipe. Or I should say the alcohol wipe and the lint-free cloth. Next, we'll take out the actual glass screen protector here, and it has a sticker on each side, so it doesn't obviously adhere to anything while it's in the box or when you take it out, so you got to peel off the backing. Now, you could, if you see more lint on your screen, you could get out this sticker. This is a third piece that will help you prep the glass before you adhere the protector. So I'm just kind of doing this. Any final pieces of lint that, you know, maybe found their way on there. So this is fully prepped, I could say. Now we're going to peel off the back of the glass protector that comes with the kit. And notice I'm holding it from the sides. And I'm going to move the camera here in just a minute to give you a better angle because my hand's in the way. But you want to make sure it's oriented correctly. Don't put it on upside down. You'll see here in a second there are different kind of grooves in the Nintendo Switch screen, and the glass is contoured to meet those grooves, so to speak. So we're going to I'm doing this with one hand. Look out. And if you mess up, you can peel it off and, you know, try it again. It's not the end of the world, but I'm going to be real careful here and get it nice and aligned before I drop it. So not lots of small movements. There we go. Just kind of dropped it. And you can see it is aligned pretty well. I am very happy with that. And the idea is that you can delicately with your thumb or finger kind of press out those air, because there's air that's trapped under there. And a lot of it will just by its own weight just kind of fall and push that air out, or you can press on it with your finger. And I've got the alcohol wipe just to clean off that glass as well. And it basically adheres automatically to the screen by its own weight. So there's nothing else beyond that. And let's get a good look here, and you can see that is pretty clean glass. So I've got a good layer of protection on there. And let's see how it looks once you boot it up to see if it affects visibility of the actual screen or anything like that. Let's get a couple sample screens for you, and I can read those words pretty well. Lots of colors coming through. I am happy with that. We're going to call that a win. So hopefully this video's helped you out. Thanks so much.